Hey beauty pros, it's your girl Kelly Callaghan here, founder of X-Tan Sunless and your go-to Sunless bestie. Today I'm going to walk you through how to clean your spray tan tent because let's be honest, if you've been spraying nonstop and haven't cleaned that thing in a while, it's probably due for a little glow up. Cleaning your tent isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a clean, professional experience for your clients, preventing overspray buildup and weird stains, and making your tent last way, way longer. If your tent looks like it's been part of a mud run marathon inside, it's time for you to clean your tent, sis. Here's what you're gonna need: a pair of gloves, a hose, dish soap or a spray tan safe cleaning solution, some cloth or towel to dry it off, and optional is a disinfectant spray for extra freshness. All right, let's get started. We're doing this outdoors for the easiest cleanup. Step 1, pop your tent all the way up, just as if you're inviting a new client into your tent. Step 2, make sure the extraction flap is open in the back. Step 3, hose it down with water to loosen up any spray tan residue. Next, you're gonna add your preferred spray tan cleaning solution, so either dish soap or a spray tan safe cleaner. Use your hose to wash down the entire tent, and don't forget the top, the bottom, and especially the corners where solution tends to build up. Allow the water to flow through the front and through the back, and then rinse everything over and over again inside and out until the soap is completely gone. Once it's rinsed, grab your cloth or towel and wipe down the tent. It's okay if it feels a little bit damp, that's completely normal. Finally, let your tent air dry for about 30 minutes and you're good to go for your next clients. Super easy, right? Keep your tent clean, professional, and always ready to slay those spray tans. And there you go, a clean tent is a happy tent. If this has helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and check out xtansunless.com for professional spray tan gear, sunless essentials, and training that will actually help you grow your spray tanning business. Stay glowing, stay clean, and I'll see you in the next video.